Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Power BI. Uh, As we yesterday we have learned how to do calculation function in Power BI with using measure, like how to use total cost, total sale, how to calculate the profit and margin. So today we will learn two new functions of calculate function. So let's get started. So suppose I want to know what is the count of my customer ID from the customer field. So what I will do, I will create a new measure. Click on new measure and we can mention the name as count of customer, and the formula will be count rows, and from which table we want to count the rows is the customer table. Hit enter and let's drag the measure into the values. So here it shows we have the total number of customers are 17,000. Now we can also use this count row for the related fields, like from the products or from the transaction. So suppose now I want to create a new measure in this customer and I want to know what all products we have, what is the count of products. So I will create a new measure again, and let's name it as count of products. So same formula, count rows, and then we want to get the data from the related table. So the formula will be related table, and which table we want the product table. So bracket close. So let's drag this new measure into the value field. So if you see, we got the total count of products, which is 3788. So this is how we use the count row function in calculate column for Power BI. So this is also the simple basic formula which is very helpful. And remember one thing, we should always use uh, measure while calculating the DAX formula. It will be helpful in other fields as well. So thank you for today. This is the new learning. I hope you like it. Thank you everyone.